There's a dog, it's just one I see. An apple falls from the tallest tree. The moon is bright, it's the one we know. Articles help, let's watch them flow. I saw a cat in a busy park. I found an egg under the tree at dark. The sun comes up and lights the day. With these 3 words, you'll find your way. A for one when you're just not sure. And comes next when vowels occur. The is clear, it points to one. Articles shine, let's have some fun. Bring me a chair, anyone will do. But bring the chair that's next to you. I read an article every morning. Articles make your grammar right. The kids are playing near a tree. A ball is rolling for all to see. An umbrella keeps the rain away. Articles guide you every day. An idea starts, a plan begins. The winner cheers as the crowd joins in. Use your ear and see the clue. Which article fits? It's up to you. A for one when you're just not sure. And comes next when vowels occur. The is clear, it points to one. Articles shine, let's have some fun. A and then now you know where to use them, let it show. Sing it loud, sing it true. Articles are easy for me and you.